Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and probably one of the most frustrating components of wearing a sling after your rotator cuff repair surgery is getting it positioned so that it's not cutting into your neck for the whole time you're wearing it. Now, many of you will be wearing a sling at least 4 weeks, some 6 weeks, and we have to find a way to make the sling comfortable. So behind me on the screen is a little user's guide for how to don and doff, how to use the sling. If you want, I'll attach this in the description of this video down below. You'll see a link. There's some useful information, but I'm going to give you two primary tips. One is look in the packaging that came with your sling for this over the shoulder, under the armpit attachment. This is a really important attachment. You can see here in the actual photo how it brings the sling off of the neck of the individual. It applies underneath the arm. And so basically, if I zoom in here, so you can get a little better view. So this is the back. This is the person's backside. The left hand is the person's front side. You can see how these are two separate little Velcro loops that take the pressure off of your neck. That's super important. It's super helpful. I've never met a person who right out of surgery had this fitted correctly. So go ahead and take a look in the packaging that came with your sling. If you didn't get this extra strap, go ahead and call the surgical team, call the office, see if you can get it, because it should be included with the sling that came in the packaging. The other part is understanding that in this graphic, the sling is slid over to the side of the body. It's going to be more comfortable if the center of your wrist lines up with the center of your torso. So think of your belly button. The center of your wrist lined up with the center of your belly button will be a much more comfortable position while you have the sling on. Guys, if you need more information, let me know. Otherwise, I'll catch you on the next video.